40 rupees pa. Medyo mahal pa yung... One only, Mimi. ₱40 yung isang broccoli. And yung green peas, bili kami. Actually, meron pa kaming naka-freezer na green peas. Pero dahil season ngayon, magandang mag-stock na ng green peas, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong beans ito.
Take one, which one?
This one, Mimi? This one, Mimi? Okay. Bili din sa abi nitong beans. Sim yung tawag nito.
Ilela, 120 के एक 80 दूसरा
For some.
गाजर कैसे है
Okay. Not fresh for me. We're going to make carrot halwa, so we're buying this carrot.
बड़ा ही दीजिए बड़ा दीजिएगा अलग अलग रेट कितने में 60 में अलग अलग रेट मेरा
Today is Makar Sankranti and Lori. Parang yung iba nag-celebrate kahapon and then today dito sa Patna sineselebrate. This is the food that Mommy has prepared for today's celebration. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you guys or to everyone who's celebrating Makar Sankranti and Lori, correct?
Lori,
Pongal. So it's like multiple celebrations today and yesterday. So we'll have shower and then we'll go upstairs doon sa terrace and then we'll have food together.
Chatpe. Chatpe. In Hindi, you have to say chatpe.
Chatpe. Okay. We are ready. First, yung kakainin guys is yung chura. Ito yung ating ulam. Cauliflower, potato, and green peas. Eh, Mami? Curd? Everything prepared by Mommy. So this is what you're supposed to eat first. Milk pala kailangan din lagyan. Milk, curd, and jaggery. Ha? I will give you. Nahi khaiwan as बहुत है मम्मी This is jaggery, sweet.
Wow, full feast. Mimi, come baby.
Para sa atin, fiesta yung ganito. Vegetarian feast.
After 10 years, I'm celebrating Makar Sankranti.
Enjoy. Enjoy the fiesta. Vegetarian fiesta.
First time in my own house.
Wow.
What did you do?
Next by Gunner's College.
Bye, baby.
Mommy asked for cauliflower. I offered by cabbage.
I don't hurry.
Go back. Go.
because today is the festival of kites. So we are going out to buy kites for the kids.
Big one 10 rupees, small one 5 rupees.
That's big. This one lang, oh, small one.
How much?
Struggle is real.
Where's my guy?
They're doing picnic. We can bring our mat and sit there. Let the kids play.
Sindram Shobhanam Ratnam Saubhagyam Subhadram Subhadam Kamdam Taiva Sindram Pratigrihyatam Om Aviram Cha Gulalam Cha Jova Chandarmev Cha Jide.
So today pala is Saraswati Puja, and yung Saraswati Puja is yung pag-worship nila sa kanilang goddess Saraswati. So we just came from Mishka's school to attend their Saraswati Puja. And now, Mami asked me if I wanted to go with her sa school niya dati na tinuturuan. So I'm just going to change my sari. I'm just going to wear kurta. And mostly kasi yung suot nila ay yellow. So I'll just wear yellow kurta.
Hello guys. We going birthday look. So we going go to channel, like and subscribe.
Saraswati Mata! So, ito yung school kung saan si Mami dati nagtuturo nung wala pa siyang mga apo. Pero ngayon, lumipat sila ng location. Hindi na ito yung dating location kung saan si Mami nagtuturo dati. Tapos na yung puja, guys. Then, pupunta kami sa bahay ng isang auntie. Yung kasama ni Mami dito dati na nagtuturo. Ayan. Malapit to sa luma naming bahay. Kasi dati nilalakad lang ni Mami. Mimi, you found new Daddy G. That's your new Daddy G. May bago siyang lola. Maraming mga estudyante na galing sa kanilang school because they are also celebrating Saraswati Puja. Dito kasi sa area namin, ang daming mga school ba, maliliit-liit na school, preschool, mga coaching center, mga gano'n, nagsiselebrate sila ng puja. Dito yung aming lunch. Late lunch. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Dip in sabji, Mimi.
पूरी उसमें से लेना है खा के सब्जी भी खाना है
Yes, good job. Ito yung aming lunch ngayon, guys. Kain muna tayo. Halos yung makikita nyo sa daan, guys, mga galing sa puja. You will know that it's a school because yung mga school mayroong mga balloons. Kahit mga library, nagsiselebrate din sila ng puja.
अजय का भाई
माया स्टूडेंट बाबू
Hi! Namaste.
हम तो आप पहचान बाबू हम तो नहीं छोटा के देखने में
Three students na, Mami. Tatlong students yung nakakita kay Mami. Bumalik talaga siya para magpranam kay Mami, yung lalaki. It's like Teacher's Day also, Mami. Students remember their teachers on Saraswati Puja. Library, yeah, preschools, college, high school, they're all celebrating Saraswati Puja. Nakaka-touch na maalala nila yung teacher nila nung bago kasi like sa kay Mami, hindi na Mami maalala, but they remember, they stop and do pranam.
तो हम अपन पूरी रॉक लिए कल स्कूल में रखिए कल आइएगा स्कूल